Hey there, how are you all? Hope you're all doing well. I just wanted to let you know that it is Saturday. Happy Saturday. And I just wanted to let you know that me and Ginger are going to try to go on a walk probably every once a day. So you'll probably be seeing a series of videos with me and Ginger. So I'm going to go ahead and start the video, start taking some pictures out, and I will share with you. So I hope you guys enjoy your day, enjoy your Saturday. God bless, stay safe, and we'll talk to you again soon. Enjoy. Wow, that was really a walk. We walked about maybe 30 minutes, and we came across a couple dogs, and Ginger is really not around a lot of animals, dogs, walking around the neighborhood or wherever I take her. And there's been times where she's in the car and she'll see a dog in another car and she'll just start going crazy. I just, I know a lot of people probably say, "Oh, that's dogs for you." No, this dog here, this my girl, she's very very protective, as dogs should be, as people would say, yes. But mine has been out on the road with me. For those of you that don't know, I was a truck driver for 3 years, so she's been in all kinds of inclements of weather, different situations, different atmospheres. She's been in pebble, she's been in clay, she's been in sand, of course grass, she's been in dirt. She's had to adapt to a lot of different atmospheres. I'm not too sure. I'm probably going to have to do just a little more outings with her until I can get her acclimated more so before I start taking her camping with me, because I'm kind of concerned on how she would actually act with other animals wherever I may be, and also if we sleep in the tent, how she would act to different critters outside of the tent. So she's got a little ways to go until I can actually take her. So in my future, which by the way, I will be doing some videos on my camping, so look out for those. Hopefully your notifications are on, and if you haven't, you can subscribe Like this video. You can subscribe to this channel so you can get updates. Make sure the notification bell is on. And yeah, I'm going to be doing some camping videos, and I'm also going to be doing a lot of holiday videos. So I definitely look forward to sharing a lot with you. So until next time, ciao for now.